Today I'm all about the salads, and specifically I'm going to show you how to do an absolutely delicious and gorgeous cucumber and beet salad. Very simple, with a little fried Manouri for a little zhuzh, and it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So to start us off, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, not that much, just enough to coat the Manouri. The Manouri is a sheep's milk cheese, very, very popular here in Greece. If you can find it outside of Greece, I invite you to try it. It is absolutely fantastic. Now, on its own, without any kind of preparation, it's okay. It's kind of bland, to tell you the truth. But if you take this and then you just slip it on the frying pan, it brings out an extra layer or an extra level of flavor. Now, in terms of assembling our salad, which is very, very easy, it's going to take a little platter, oval platter here for presentation. And we're going to start off with the cucumber. Now, for aesthetics, I'm not going to completely peel the cucumber. I'm very simply going to kind of cut it in strips, so that way it has a little bit of interest when it's on the plate and being presented. I don't like this little thing here. It really doesn't make a difference. It just shows everybody that you tried a little bit, and that's the important thing. So now, once I got my ends off, you can half this and core the seeds out, but we'll leave that to the English. That's fine. Greeks, we eat everything. And you're gonna slice these about 1/4 inch thick. And look what happens now. They have a little bit of interest to them with the peeling that we did. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place my cucumber around the edges flat. And I'm hoping you can see this. And that way it's going to give us a really, really, really nice presentation. It's almost going to act like a little border. And just move it around. Nothing complicated at all. And when you bring this out to the table, it's going to be something really nice. Really, really nice. All right, just like that. All right, now, the next part of this is the actual beets. I got a pound of beets here that are actually vacuum sealed and already cooked. This is like half the battle, believe me. Now, if you got like a porous cutting board, like a wooden cutting board and whatnot, and you need to slice these up, it's going to stain. I am telling you that right now. But if you take like a plate, ceramic plate, and just kind of pour these out into the plate. Now, with these, you can do just about anything you like. I am going to just cut these same thickness as my cucumbers, about 1/4 inch thick. Beets are one of my favorite vegetables. Oh my gosh. So many ways to enjoy them. And lately here, I've been on a beet kick. And I've got another recipe for you for another kind of beet salad with Greek strained yogurt. Gonna knock your socks off. So now this, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my cucumber area there. Perfect. That's good right there. Look already how beautiful this looks. So you already have like a little kind of design or a little pattern here. My Manouri is pretty much almost ready. It doesn't need that much time at all. And it's gonna basically sit right in the middle here. All right, so now my Manouri cheese is ready to go on top. So now that our salad has been assembled, I'm gonna kind of zhuzh it up a little bit with some capers. And capers are like huge here in Greece. You don't need that many, you just need kind of like for garnish around. But they're also gonna add a beautiful like brininess to this, which is really nice. So I'm gonna do that. As for dressings and whatnot, Greeks aren't big on dressings. Basically, the three ingredients for dressing a salad here are olive oil, lemon, or red wine vinegar. Those are your choices. I'm gonna take a little bit of oregano, my dried Greek oregano. Now, red wine vinegar, which goes fantastic. Well, if I can get this open. It goes fantastic with the beets and the cucumber. Works really, really, really well, really nicely. Let's put this over just like that. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful salad. I'm going to take a little bit of my Greek extra virgin. Oh, geez, that's running really low. So I'm just going to do a little bit of drizzle all around, just like that. Perfect. Don't want to waste a drop of that at all. And now lastly, I think for a little added splash of color, I'm going to do a little parsley just for garnish, just to kind of show people that we kind of put a little bit of an effort into this. And just from a height, just real quick, just like that. So my friends, that is it for my cucumber and beet salad. Very refreshing. Any time of year, serve this up on its own or as a side with some meat or fish, and you have an absolutely fantastic little salad. I thank you so much for watching. For this recipe and many others, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. Hit that like button, and I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Much love from Greece. Bye for now.